Hello, tech enthusiasts, IT professionals, students, career changers, businesses, and entrepreneurs. Welcome to a video that's going to change the way you think about AWS training. Today, we're diving deep into eMexo Technologies, the best AWS Training Institute in Electronic City Bangalore. If you're serious about mastering AWS, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about reputation. When it comes to AWS training, you want to learn from the best, right? Well, eMexo Technologies has built a sterling reputation as the go-to institute for AWS training in Electronic City Bangalore. It's a name you can trust.
Here, you don't just get training, you get an experience that sets you on a path to success.
One of the key reasons eMexo Technologies is the best is its team of experienced instructors. These aren't just teachers, they are industry experts with hands-on AWS experience. You'll be learning from the best in the business.
Now, let's talk courses. eMexo Technologies offers a wide range of comprehensive AWS courses that cater to beginners and experts alike. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your skills, there's a course tailored just for you. Cloud Masters Program, AWS Solution Architect Associate, AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, AWS Development Certification.
We believe that true learning happens through hands-on experience. That's why eMexo Technologies emphasizes practical, real-world projects. You won't just learn theory. You'll apply your knowledge in a practical setting, preparing you for real AWS challenges in your career.
In conclusion, eMexo Technologies isn't just an institute, it's a launchpad for your AWS career. Solid reputation, experienced instructors, comprehensive courses, hands-on learning. There's no better place to master AWS than here.
Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to master AWS with eMexo Technologies. Visit our website www.emexotechnologies.com or contact us at +912951321646 to kickstart your AWS learning journey with the best AWS Training Institute in Electronic City Bangalore.
Enroll now and get the certification course discount of 30%. Hurry up, only limited slots available.